Customer service is not only about being nice to your customers and giving them a warm welcome. Today, customer service for companies is relevant and important for many reasons. Retention of customers is cheaper than acquisition of new ones. Investing in customer service rather than compensation is a competitive advantage and means higher margins for every company. Mostly, customers today expect an excellent, impeccable customer service. The big question is, what is needed for a company to prove excellence in customer service? Welcome to the course Airline Customer Experience, Touchpoints and Journey Mapping. In this course, we want to explore how touchpoints during the customer's journey can be used to offer great customer service. My name is Jörg Troester, and I have been working for 25 years in the airline industry in the areas of customer service and airline distribution.